4 straight days of rain. Pretty much soggy, super duper soggy. We're working hard on feeding horses. Everybody's fed. We've got to clean up a little bit of poop here and there, but soggy. Four days. So videos are a little slower when it gets rainy. Thought I'd just tell you guys, let you guys know what's going on. Nothing special. Still busy doing projects, but less able to take out a camera in the rain. But everybody's good. So there you go. There's a little tiny update. We've got rain, and more rain. Hopefully it'll slow down tomorrow, but we'll see. Super soggy. Okay, that's it. Real quick one.